What's up guys, so today I'll be showing you how to install the Turn-In Concepts headlight level adjuster. So that's the part here on the right side. The one on the left is the one that comes on the car. It's this link. It's located on the rear end of the car. It connects to your rear suspension, and mine actually cracked, so I tried gluing it back together, but looks good so far, but I got this now, so I might as well just use this. And this actually works if your car is lowered, so then you could adjust it by the screws in the middle. So let's head on over to the car and I'll show you how this goes. Alright, the car's in the air. Let's go underneath and install this little link. So once you get under the car, you'll want to go on the driver's side rear axle, and the bracket for your headlight leveling link will be next to your sway bar right here. And then so the one part of the link mounts here, and then the other one mounts the bracket that's connected to your lower control arm. So this is the proper way of putting the link in. You want your upper nut to be facing your sway bar, and then on the bottom end you want the nut on the side facing towards the car. So then just screw it in, probably around, I don't know, I don't have a specific torque spec on this, so just hand tight with your wrench or whatever, and you should be good. So here's the link installed. I'll show you as good as I can. So there you go, the screw is screwed to the bracket that controls the leveling, and then it's kind of hard to see, but the other end is connected to the other bracket that's attached to the lower control arm. And make sure you tighten these beforehand possibly, or you could do them as you wish probably, but make sure whatever adjustment, if your car is lowered, make sure you're at the proper adjustment so your headlights are accurately leveled. And that's it. So yeah, just the proper way, make sure this nut is facing your sway bar, and then your other one is facing to the front of the car. That is all. Alright, so thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions about this, hit me up in the comments. I'll try to get back to you. I'll leave a link in the description for the product if you guys want to get it yourself. If your OEM link broke or you're lowered and you need to adjust your headlights, then it's only like 30 bucks then plus shipping, so 30 something bucks. It's not so bad, but it looks like a solid product. So yeah, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the dinger, bro.